Your leads receive personalized experiences based on how they've interacted with your content. This is called a heat score.
Let me start by saying, fuck you. Do you remember when you told me the most important person in your life is yourself? I didn't get it then, but it makes sense to me now. Do you know why no one can be around you for more than 5 minutes? You suck all the life out of everyone around you. You're a fucking black hole. I can't find that stupid trophy from high school.
I'm sorry, Danny. I've just been feeling like, I don't know, things are just complicated with my grandma right now.
I get it, you know, old people.
Okay, alright, here we go. So the guy grabs the bike and just takes off down the street, but I'm just still sitting there. But did I have to go after him? Like,
Yes! Yes, the answer, there's one answer, and it's yes.
They're coming. Okay, Tess. We're going to play a really fun game, okay? Are you ready? The main rule is we have to be very quiet.
Let us through. My daughter's in there.
We're looking for a little girl. She's this big. Her name is Hava. She's got brown hair.
Sir, the meeting point between parents and children.
She's
is the
not
far side
in
room.
there. Move!
Our daughter is in that building.
Shh, only my voice, okay? I'm gonna turn the lights off, and I want you to pretend it's nighttime, and we're in the jungle, and you're Mrs. Davidson's sneaky jaguars. Come crawl over here and sit by me. Uncover your ears and lie down for me, like you're sleepy jaguars and it's bedtime. But you can't make a sound. If we want to win the big prize, we have to be silent. It's okay. It's okay. They're playing the game too. They're the big, loud animals of the jungle, like the funny elephants we talked about today.